Hey everyone! In today's quick video, I'll show you how to uninstall any app from your phone and also how to remove it from your Google Play Store library. Let's clean things up and solve this common problem in just a few steps.
First, open Play Store. Tap Profile Picture. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Then tap Manage. Then tap this device. Then select Not Installed. Here, you'll see all the apps you've downloaded before but uninstalled. Find the app you want to remove, select it, then tap the trash icon on the top right. That's it. It's now gone from your library too.